Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily send messages with confetti effect on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to put your like and write comments after watching the video. Friends, let us get down to this interesting topic. And first of all, please open the messaging app on your iPhone and go to the correspondence where you would like to use the confetti effect. Next, enter the text you want in the message bar. And then you can also add here if you click on the plus sign. Let's say choose a sticker of some sort. You can also add any emoji if you want to. And after you enter the text after it on the right side of the text, click on this sign and hold it down. So, next thing you'll need to do is at the top, you'll need to click here. And now you just have to scroll through until you find the confetti effect. That's what it looks like. And then when you find it, click Send. And after that, as you can see, the text of your message will be sent with this confetti effect. And not only you will see it, but of course the person who will receive your message. This is such a very simple and interesting way you can easily send messages with confetti effect on your iPhone. Friends, I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.